Amagombora garukuzaganyurwamo harimo Ikumba, Hamurwa, Muko, Bufundi, Ruhija, Bubare hamwe na Bukimbiri muri Kisoro, kandi Town Council harimo Rubanda, Katojo, Hamurwa, Bubare, Hamuhambo, Kashasha, Mugera, Kacerere hamwe na Town Council ya Nyanamo muri Kisoro.
Ya remiti Minister yabahereza ranch
Moses Byarugaba chairman w'Isiwana habwa Nyarugarama Seyero agizirengu ekizibu cy'amizi kibirekera karo kurigera hambera ye cyanga cyabo okugera enshozi
ubwire bw'umushana ushanga abantu bararinga bari hamugera gumwe habamo ushanga bayatibijiri kuri domora bano kasosi
amezi garatubulira tuza kutabidiba amezi twageze bijoro ryetu ebijoro ryo nabihindura umubiri.
Steven Kasiyaba chairman C5 ahabwa Rubanda district yagira ngo obucheka bw'abantu abari kutunga amizi marungi rukikankaga harigana.
Rubanda district access to safe water is not more than 60%. That is, I mean, the ones who are receiving water, who are getting water on the protected water springs, Gravity, and Umbrella, the small portions of Umbrella, which is also under Ministry of Water.
We have launched the design, and we are going to approach the Ministry of Finance. We have already started approaching the Ministry of Finance for funding of this project. Already also the French, through the French Treasury, have approached the Ministry of Water and Environment to provide funding for implementation of this project.
Aisha Sekindi Minisita w'Ihanga habwa amizi n'obuhangwa arabwira abanyabutegeki abarukhabisaba ngo government esheme kurihirira abo bona aho pipe z'amizi zirarabe ecyagize ngo tiharo sente zo kurihirira.
The government is not including compensation for where trenches are going to pass. We have money to bring the service when you are ready to give us also where this project should pass.
Project Age neja kuhere byaro 529 ibiri kushango muri Rubanda hamwe n'ekicweka kimwe cya Kisoro mugombora ya Bukimbiri kandi amizaga nigija kuba ngihwa umunyanja ya Bunyonyi. Adolphe Ayereka, TV West.